Welcome to a short, relaxing piano routine for late beginner level in the key of A flat major. We'll play 5 different versions of a calm sequence that incorporates chords 1, 4, and 5 in this key. Free piano sheet music for this routine is available at the link below. This key has 4 flats, B, E, A, and D, spelling bead, and follows on from our E flat major routine, which had 3 flats. Chord 1, or the tonic chord, is built on the first note of the A flat major scale. The notes are A flat, C in the middle, and E flat at the top. Chord 4, or the subdominant chord, is built on the 4th note. The notes are D flat, F in the middle, and A flat at the top. And chord 5, or the dominant chord, is built on the 5th note. The notes are E flat, G in the middle, and B flat at the top. We're playing in 6/8 time, with 6 quaver or 8th notes in each bar. And we'll also play crotchets or quarter notes, dotted crotchets or dotted quarter notes, and dotted minims or dotted half notes, the full bar here. Here's version 1. Here's version 2. Here's version 3. Here's version 4. And here's version 5. Thank you so much for joining me. See you again soon for more piano focus.